That's a Honda for you. Hey, that was fun. That was deep. What is going on, everybody? I am back with another video today, and today we are out here at Outback, baby. We got 2 Hondas, 2 Can-Ams back there, man. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. We got a whole generator burning up over there. Woo! Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new, like and share, and let's get it, baby. It's about to be a fun day. So I don't know this place a lot. You know, I'm not familiar with Outback, so I'm gonna let my buddy up there with the Honda, you know, just guide us through, send us through the holes. We'll just follow him. Sooner or later, these 2 Hondas won't be here no more. We're gonna have Can-Ams, baby. Everyone's switching over to Can-Ams. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm excited to be out, man. We got beautiful weather out today. It's just gonna be a nice day. I just know it's gonna be a good day. Woo! Yes, sir. We're gonna keep up with the little Honda. See how he gets over here. Got a little drop over here. Woo! Woo! It's not bad. There we go. We got that Maverick. Oh. Which one? Left side? Woo! Woo! We had to send it. You know, we had to send it. Woo! It's a nice hole. Okay. Yes, sir. Go through that. There we go. Work it. Work it, boy. Come on. Hey, you in 2-wheel drive? There we go. There we go. That's what I'm used to seeing. I'm used to seeing that Honda walk the holes. Yes, sir. I want a Maverick so bad, man. A Maverick on this channel, huh? Would you guys like to see that? I feel like that'd be some nice content. What do you guys think? Should we get a Maverick for the channel? Woo! Yes. Yes. Woo! Oh yeah. Yes, sir. That's what I wanted to do. Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! My boy, Diego. Yes, sir. Look at them Hondas, baby. Look at them Hondas working it. Go ahead, bro. I don't know right now. Woo! Them Honda wheelies, though. Let's go, baby. Let's send it. Woo! Yes, sir. I enjoy this type of mud much more than red clay that I ride in a lot. I really do enjoy this. It's much more fun. It's just more enjoyable, man. This is fun. This is really fun. There's a drop off right here. Let's The 570 is completely sideways. God, these ruts are crazy. Woo! Come on, yes sir. Look at that. Woo! Woo! God. Yo, that wall is bad. Woo! Dang, that's a nice little rut. We're gonna see if we can push him. We're gonna make sure to get off this side, cause woo! Go ahead. Yes, sir. God, that was bad. I need some new floorboards. What y'all recommend? Look, destroyed. This comes off all the time. New floors coming. New floorboards. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God, I got soaked. All I smell is Honda exhaust. There we go. That rut though. Yes, sir. Woo! Woo! I just broke an axle, I think. That boy just tugged me out. I want to say I just broke an axle. Something's hitting. Something was sounding so bad. Like something was clunking. I don't know if it's inside my clutch. I mean, inside of my diff or what. I don't know what it was. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! It is so hot out today. Woo! Yo, how big is this park, bro? How big is this park? It's huge. Woo! know it's some deep stuff, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, my boy's got my camera and everything in his book bag. You better be careful. Show the drop. Woo! Woo! My God, that was deep. Oh, she's going sideways. Woo! 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 Yes, sir. Woo! Woo! Oh my God, it's deep out, baby. Woo! Oh my God. This is where all the machines were taking. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Right side? Okay. Oh, she's stuck, baby. That's crazy. Hold on. Push it over that way, cause yo, that's so deep. That is so freaking deep, bro. Oh yeah, move real quick. I'll move you over there just in case. Just press the A, be careful with the helmet. He floating. He just walked out with stocks on, man. Y'all ready to hit some more? Let's go. Woo! Yo, my dip is messing up on me, bro. God. These holes here at Outback are crazy. They're a lot of fun though. I'm enjoying these holes. That's something slight. I ain't even gonna lie. I really like these holes. That's all for today, everybody. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I'll have a part 2 for you guys later this week. So thank you guys once again. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Everybody like and share. Follow my Instagram to stay up to date with all my uploads. And let's get it. I'll see you guys on the next one, baby. Peace out.